What up, YouTube? Maz here. So we're back in the garage again. We still haven't rode the bike, but we have the exhaust coming in. So I'm going to remove the stock exhaust, and then the slip-on I'm going with is actually not here. It's gonna be here tomorrow. But I went ahead and already removed the stock exhaust. It's right there. So tomorrow, when the slip-on gets here, I'll just install it. And then I had an Evotech hanger, so I'm just gonna use that hanger. And yeah, so this fast forward till tomorrow, and then y'all see what slip-on I have. Y'all gonna see it by the title. But anyways, let's go to tomorrow and let's install the slip-on. So let's get to it. Boom. The exhaust came in. Big shout out to UBD parts for getting me the exhaust. And then I actually didn't have time to come by his spot to pick it up, so he had one of his boys drop it off. So again, huge shout out to UBD parts, Used Bikes Direct, for getting me this pipe. We went with the 3/4 slip-on SC with a carbon can. So again, huge shout out to Daniel for getting his homie to come drop it off, or his worker. I appreciate the service, and let's get him mounted on the bike, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so there we have it. It's unboxed. We're gonna remove that silencer at the end. We're gonna remove that. Got the mid pipe, little carbon plate or whatever in the flange or whatever, and yeah, all the necessary hardware that we need. So let's get to mounting it. Yeah. Okay, so I got the exhaust on, as you can see. Looks beautiful. SC, little 3/4 slip on, you know. I don't think I'll be getting the full. I don't really need it for the street, so this should suffice. So I'll pull it out here, and then we get some shots outside, get a better angle of the bike. But it's coming along. I think I'm gonna ride it maybe in the next couple of days. Haven't even rode the bike, but yeah, so I'll ride and then do a sound check and all that good stuff here shortly. So, all right, guys. So this is what the final look with the SC Project slip-on exhaust 3/4 looks like on the 2026 ZX10R. So I think it looks very, very good. So let me know what you guys think. We'll get a couple more shots, and then yeah, it looks beautiful, dude. With the wheels, chrome motor wheels, and the exhaust, windscreen, mirror delete, block offs. What else? The little carbon heel guards. Looks beautiful. Beautiful, brother. Kawasaki really did their thing with this color combo, and the new gen looks absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about the SE. Again, huge shout out to UBD parts. I'm gonna link them in the description. I'll hit them up for some parts, and appreciate the boys over there, man, for getting me hooked up with this SE. So, yeah. Chill. We need a tune on there, right? So just a chill sound. Nothing crazy. We gotta get a flash. I think the flashes are being worked on now, and some of them are becoming available already with Woolwich. So maybe in a week or two we might have it flashed. But that's how it sounds. We can give it a couple small revs. You know, I don't want to overdo it. That's it, boys. So let's hop on the bike and let's ride.